Alright guys, it's like 6 o'clock. We just woke up, getting ready for the race today. 4 more races to go, and I'm just going to show you what it's like throughout the day. What's up, boys? TV12 electrolytes right here, best stuff. Troy getting ready for football, body armor. My mom making her Thrive drinks. Alright guys, here's my TV12 protein shake that I always have in the morning. The ingredients here. Obviously TV12 protein. There's the time. It's all done, guys. Just pouring it into my cup. Quick tour of where we work on the car here. Just the front door there. Up here, some old helmets and some go-kart side panels. Then we got this stuff here. Where we got the car. To the top, we got Jeff Gordon nose, my old go-kart nose cone. Some stickers from last year on our car. Coors Light, full throttle. And we just got the top storage. Back panel, just the ground there. And just where we work on it. Alright, here's a tour of the trailer. Got the air jacks, just cabinets, toolbox. Got our t-shirts, fire suit hanging. Got the car, we're getting ready to go. And it's gonna be good. Alright guys, just spilled my drink all over my shorts. And yeah, getting ready to play some iRacing. Get some practice in. Ready to do some practice on iRacing here at South Boston in the Tour Mod. Here's the setup, just got the G29 wheel. Cyber Power PC, and just got the Logitech headset there, and getting ready to go. Getting ready to do some muscle pliability here. My roller from TV12 works good, and let's get it, baby. All right, we're getting ready to leave here. It's like 12 o'clock almost, and let's just do this thing. Alright, here's Tom the Modify guy.
What's up, man?
Get ready to go. Best GoPro, he puts GoPros in everybody's cars. I'll leave his link in the description. And yeah, just getting ready to go here today. Alright, pulling the trailer in. Got all the cars here. Pulling in. It's gonna be good. Just getting the air jacks out right now, and we are pulling it in. Here's the schedule. Alright, we just rolled it out here. This is our other crew member, Greg. Ready to go. Got the trailer tires still on it, but we are getting ready to go here. There's Mike. Points battle. Good luck, man. Alright guys, so we're just waiting for practice to start. It's like 2:35 right now. Practice starts at 3, and we're like the 5th or 6th group to go out, so should be good. Made a few changes, and let's see what we got here in a little bit. Got whole pits. Staying hydrated, body armor. Got the radios charging, everything ready to go. And STP Motorsports. Tom.
Hello guys, my name is Sean Modify Guy. I'm the best there ever was. No one's better than me. This is the bumper cam.
All right, so he's just showing us the bumper cam here.
Sound sucks, picture's pretty good. We got the Gavin cam here, or Chase cam.
Chase cam for the big wheel race tonight. Hopefully he gets in. All right, we just got done with first practice. Car's pretty solid. I never really could get in a rhythm to get some good lap times, but the car was pretty close there, and we'll see what we got for the next round.
You're going to have two tries at that pad. You can't get it done the second.
Warm-out's getting ready for time trials. Going up to the driver's meeting. Car was good in round 3, and I'm happy with it. Protein bar, water. All right, here's the heat lineouts here. Starting last in the first heat. Should be good. That's the second heat. And that's all the classes there, so have a good run. All right, we're just having some conversations before we go out for heat races. We got Troy, Mike Hendrickson. We got Greg. There's Jack Hanley right there. The spotter Wayne, John Forden. And yeah, we're just waiting to go out here. We're having a good time. There's John, the crew guy. Started 6th and finished 3rd in my heat there. Car was pretty good. Could have got 2nd. Just got a little held up behind 2nd place there, but we'll take it and move on for the feature here. Hey fam here. All right, we're a little mad here. He would have dominated the whole big wheel race, but they don't give out tickets, so he's a little mad. He's the best ever. Not gonna beat him. All right, here's Jill, and we are just sitting here waiting for them to go. And yeah, we got like 4 more till my race, and it's gonna be good. Starting 8th. All right, guys, we finished 4th here tonight. Started 8th. Car wasn't the best, but we made it through the field decently. Gave up a spot, but we'll come back next week tour night. So we'll see what we got. All right, everybody's getting ready to load up. There's Chase.
Can I go on your back?
That one episode of the Spotlight.
All right, we're here. Getting ready to pull this thing in.
Turn the light off.
TTMG. I can't.